Let me pass.
Max, tick tock.
Math?
Oh dear, Max. Do not worry. Get 7 candy.
TikTok is gone. Now it's time to find Dextra. Ouch! Ouch! This monster is too strong for me.
Goldanic them.
And I will find them in the Hall of Math. Demonic. Goldenic the Demonic. Ready for some candy power? Where is Dextra? Tell me now!
You will never find her, Max.
No! Wait! I have to find my friend. How?
And why is jelly so yummy?
All right, another minion to defeat. Take this!
Max, this is no fun. Trust me, and just run.
Ooh, that's not nice. Bad tentacles.
This is Tentacly, and he has poison.
For that, touch is poisonous. Tentacly, your touch is poisonous, but not for my hammer. Face it!
He's dead.
Tentacly is down. Dextra, here I come. Another one? Look, minion, let me pass and I will leave you alone. Uh-oh.
Octosi the minion will stop you.
Easy peasy. I feel like I can jump a mile now. Octosi, you can shake this land, but not my courage. Yay, I did it! That wasn't hard. You evil shadow! You took Dextra away! I will teach you not to mess with us.
The giant shield is hard to break. With 18 candies, it's a piece of cake.
And I know where to find them. Here I go.
Go back now, you puny monster, or you'll never leave.
I am here to save Dextra. I will take her back with me. Save Dextra. Her back. You are a magician too?
I am Fonglad, a magician. I am your friend. Land.
No problem.